this is Jasleen Royal and I'm here on filmybeat.com to talk about my song from the film Haramkhor, which is called Kidre Jawa. So please check it out and hope you like it. मैं खड़ी हूँ रास्ते पे बसते लगे सालों के कुछ बेरंग ख्यालों के किधरे जावा रब्बा चावा तकदीरा ना दे सलामा किधरे जावा रब्बा चावा तकदीरा ना दे सलामा मुड़ा घर को तू जा
That was super duper fantastic. She's the one with the खूबसूरत voice that hits you straight in the heart, making you want to listen to her songs bar bar. Yes, that's Jasleen Kaur Royal for you. We are at a place for a quick exclusive chat, and there it goes. Hi Jasleen.
Hi, how are you? I'm
How-
good. Thank you so much for coming over.
Yeah, same. So, rewinding a little bit, just tell us what made you take up singing as a career.
So since I've been since I was a kid, I always wanted to do music and मतलब मेरे पास ऐसे I tell people I didn't have a plan B. मतलब मुझे और कुछ पता ही नहीं था कि I want to do something else. So that's how it happened. And I remember my parents got a small keyboard for my brother, which he didn't use. So I just kept experimenting with it till I understood how the melodies work and what's on your mind, and you can just play it. So with a lot of experiments and stuff like that, it happened.
Do you still have that keyboard with you?
I think it should be at my house in Ludhiana where my parents live.
And very few people know that you made your first zero budget music video when you were in the second year of your college.
Third.
Okay, third. So could you tell us a bit about it, how?
So I just come out of India's Got Talent. I participated in that. I reached the semi-finals and I got out when I was in second year. So then after that I was performing here and there, and I always wanted to do music. So I never had a question ki not to do it. I knew these things I have to do, I just kept doing it. So budget constraints, time constraints, or anything, we just worked something around it because वो था ना कि there's no other option, ये मुझे करना है. तो फिर कुछ ना करते करते you call people, your friends come help you. I remember this guy who just let us shoot at his cafe, and my friends came, and it was everyone's my director, it was his first video, so he made, and everyone just came together on board to just make it happen.
So you have been part of so many popular songs, right from Khoobsurat, then you did Baar Baar Dekho, then you did Dear Zindagi. So how does it feel to receive the love from the audience,
I think it's very, what do you say, too good to be true sometimes. Sometimes I'll just keep, right now you're done with one project, so you're just focusing on the next project. So, but sometimes there are days when you just take a break and you just wonder, is this actually happening for real? Yesterday when I was performing at Filmfare, so there was Sonam, Alia, and Karan Johar. So these are the people I've worked with, and it feels very surreal and very I don't know how to express it.
So is the surreal feeling yet to sink in?
I don't think it's ever gonna sink in, and I think it's nice that it doesn't, so that I keep working harder on my songs, and just that excitement and curiosity, and the charm of this working with so many people you've always looked up to just pushes you to work extra hard. So I don't want it to go away.
you write your own lyrics. So how do you find your source of inspiration?
Right now I've been working with a lot of lyricists. When I was doing my independent stuff, then I used to jot down my thoughts कि मुझे किस बारे में गाना कहना है और क्या चल रहा है मेरे दिमाग में. So it's something like that. But right now I'm working with this friend of mine, Aditya Sharma, who's written songs for me on Bar Bar Dekho, Shivai, and there's another guy, Neeraj Rajawat, I work with. So working with a bunch of people.
And who's your favorite singer, all-time favorite singer?
When I was growing up, I had this major crush on Akhiari. I love the songs. And yeah, right now like I listen to a lot of people. Like I love it when A.R. Rahman sings his song and Amit Trivedi lends his voice. These are the voices I really like.
And one more thing, Jasleen, you know, these days you see a lot of new voices in Bollywood, especially, you know, at the time of growing music-based reality shows. So how do you view this competition?
I don't see it as competition. I think like everyone who wants to be a singer, music director, they should just come and, you know, fulfill their dream. There's a lot of work for everyone here. Like I can't sing every song, no? And there are like so many songs to be sung. So I don't see it as competition. And if I like any voice on the reality shows and anything, so I would love to, you know, get them to sing my song and collaborate with them, like I did for Nach Dene Sare, Harshdeep, and I sang together. And for that matter, I sang Ho Gaye Humna and Prateek Kuhad. I'd seen him perform once at Blue Frog in Delhi, and I was just very impressed, and I just loved his songs and the voice. It just stayed with me, and then that's how I collaborate. So I'm always on a hunt for new voices and anything that, you know, stays with me. So I don't see it as competition.
So what do you think makes your voice distinct from the others? You know, if you had to pick that, what?
I don't know actually. When I was growing up, no, so people used to tell me like, why do you sing like this? You need training and you need this. This is not how your voice should sound and all of that. But मेरी आवाज़ ऐसी ही है. I can't do anything. No, this is like my natural voice. I can't like tweak it and make it sound something else. So I think it's just the way it is. Like it's raw and it's not trained properly. So maybe that's the USP or what is it? Unique
thing about your voice. And any actress whom you would like to lend your voice to? You know, you gave your voice to Katrina, then Alia.
Yeah, and Sonam. Sonam is like special because that was the first. And so now I'm doing for Anushka, and I want to do with everyone. Like I want to do with Priyanka also, Kangana also, everyone I want to sing for.
So any plans of coming out with a single, you know, music single?
Right now, like the film projects are keeping me too busy. But I want to release it. But the good thing about the song we just released, Haramkhor, it's a very like a song that I would release as a single. So I was very happy with the makers of the film, like Vineet Munga, Anurag Kashyap, my director Shlok, and you know they just let me do something not ऐसे बहुत होता है ना इसको थोड़ा सिंपल कर दो थोड़ा like you know everyone should understand. तो इसमें ऐसा नहीं हुआ. Now I don't know it's a good thing or a bad thing, but we're very happy with the song that's come out.
Did you have any crazy fan moment, you know, in your entire journey? One crazy fan moment if you had to pick up.
Abhi recently I was crossing a signal, like I was in a rickshaw. I just to go like next corner, I think next lane ही जाना था. So I just hopped into a rickshaw and then I pulled when I got off. So this guy came running and he's seen me at the signal and he's like, "Are you a singer?" I said, "Yeah." And he's like all breathless. I said, "Okay, relax, I'm here only." I was like, why is this guy, you know, acting so crazy, and like he was just trying to take a picture and his hands are shaking. I said, let's calm down for 5 minutes. I'm right here, like, you know. I thought कि मतलब इतना क्या हो गया. My brother would be like, seriously, तुझे तेरी फोटो खींचने आया था.
That's how siblings are, you know.
So उसका दिमाग खराब ही होगा. Like my brother would be, you know, like he'll tell me that.
So that must be quite, you know, surreal for you.
Yeah, like it feels nice, but then you see, then you think, मतलब इतनी क्या बड़ी बात है, मतलब I'm just doing what I wanted to do. and I'm singing and I'm making music, and that gives me a lot of happiness. So if people are loving it, then that's an add-on, and like we always like when people appreciate your work.
And which are your upcoming film projects?
Right now, my next would be Filori. That's Anushka Sharma's production. It's a clean slate production, directed by Anshay Lal. I'm really excited about that one. It looks really nice and very fun. And then after that, I have Cookie 2. And then I'm working with Sonam Kapoor and Riya Kapoor again. So I'm very excited about that.
And any tips you would like to give to the aspiring singers, who want to make it big in the music world but don't know from where to start?
Just sing what you like. Like when I went on India's Got Talent also, so I chose this song Fir Dekhiye, which is a very like underdog kind of song. उसको पता ही नहीं वो फिल्म में था. It was one of the closing credits. So सबने बोला कि why you singing this, sing a popular song, sing that. So I don't know, like you should just sing what you love. ऐसे लोगों को सोच के मत गाओ कि उनको क्या अच्छा लग रहा है. आप अपना गाओ और थोड़ा क्रिटिसिज्म भी लेना चाहिए. अपनी बहुत नहीं बनानी चाहिए. That helps you grow. But majorly you should know like when not to listen to other people.
So do you believe in constructive criticism?
Yeah, definitely.